Hi friends, this is Subrat here, and this is the 45th video on my Python series. And in this video I am going to cover about Python tuple indexing. As you have already seen, in case of string and list, we can access the individual elements by using its index location. So in case of tuple also same concepts apply. So tuple variables are also indexed with some integer values. That means I can use the index location to access the values inside my tuple variable. So let us understand this with some example. Suppose I have tuple, and inside that I have like p, y, t, h, o, and n. Suppose I have collection of characters inside my tuple. You cannot use the keyword tuple as it is an inbuilt keyword for the Python. So let's do that. Let's check if that's giving me error or not. It's not giving me any error. Okay, so let us use that one only. So to access the individual elements, I can use the index position, tuple, tuple. For accessing the index position, you have to use the open and close square brackets, not the parentheses. You have to use the square brackets always to access the individual elements. So I can get the value at index of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us access some index which is not inside my tuple. Suppose I want to access 9, it will give me the index error. Tuple index out of range. That means you want to access the element which is not present inside the tuple. The index is out of range. Let us declare some other tuple variable, and inside that suppose I have a collection of list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another list and another tuple, and let us print this. What is the output we are getting? We'll be getting whatever the inserted order values we have inserted inside the tuple, will get in the same fashion only. So let us access the individual element. So tple, I have to use open and close square brackets only. If I want to access 9 here, so I have to check at which location this child variable is present, child list is present. So this is the first location and this is the second location. Sorry, this is the 0th location and this is the first location. And so I need to mention 1 here, and inside that child list I want to know what is the location of the 9 here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Location of the 9 is 3. That's why you can use 3 here. So let us create one more variable like this, and inside that I have one more list here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Subrat. Suppose I want to access Subrat here, so let's do that. So tple, I have to use the open and close square brackets, and this is my 0th indexed child location. That's why I need to mention 0, and inside that I need to go at index of, need to calculate the index 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going at index of 6. So at the index of 6, this child list is present, and inside the child list where the Subrat is present, I need to calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At index of 5 it is present. So in this way you can calculate or you can access the individual variables inside the tuple. So friends, this is all about tuple indexing. By using the index position of the variable, you can access its value. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.